really gonna fly into that, aren't we?
They say that the rings of Maklu IV perpetually rain fire down upon the godless abominations that dwell below.
How fun.
I'm sure it's worse than it looks, too.
It is. Many of my people braved this same treacherous pilgrimage before me, never to return.
Mark! Hang on to something!
Show off.
Hey, if you got it...
Clark! No!
Stabilizers are shot. Repair systems are overloaded.
If we are destined to crash, try at least to crash into Fin Fang Foom!
Nobody's crashing!
Oh, we're crashing! These peaks are treacherous! Whoa!
Flark!
Just trying to slow us down!
Fear! Fear!
Stop yelling!
Fear!
Watch out for the thing, Peter!
Which thing?
Pretty sure she means all the...
Can we not hit all the things? Peter!
Watch out for the thing! Yeah, I got it! Oh, it's coming down hard! Hang on to something! Okay. Oh, a little bumpy, but we're all okay, right? And we're laughing. That's good.
It's perfect. This is us. This is how we park.
Well, this is how Quill parks anyways.
We were not fated to die this day. Unless, of course, Fin Fang Foom devours us whole.
Hey, whoa, we gotta find him first. Shall we? Oh, this is insane.
This is how we park, yeah.
Whoa! That definitely shouldn't be sparking!
We can worry about that after we catch our dragon.
And convince Lady Hellbender to help us bust the church a new one.
Before setting out on our quest, let us rouse our spirits with a Catathian battle and...
That's a lot of brave Catathians.
After Thanos raised Katath, my people were left broken, physically and mentally. Their exodus led many of them here in great numbers.
So how many of these hunters came back?
None.
They were all victims of Fin Fang Foom?
Not victims. They came for the ultimate battle. A truly glorious death.
Is it just me, or does it feel like we're a part of something here?
Oh yeah, part of Foom's all-you-can-eat buffet.
I mean, walking in the footsteps of Drax's people, out here to save the galaxy, makes you want to believe in destiny.
I'm not trying to kill the moment or nothing, but everybody listed here was destined to be monster chow.
If we all die, we will die like proper Catathians.
If we all die, everyone dies. Magus is gonna consume everything.
Then let's catch Foom and make sure that doesn't happen. Okay, team. We can't make quick work of this thing, and we got no right going after Fin Fang Foom.
Can you stop with the ice cream punch already?
I'm on it!
Breathe. Don't breathe it in, you idiot!
Anyone else getting major sense?
Fin Fang Foom must be savored!
This is how it's done!
This one just eats ammo!
Too bad Groove didn't eat this thing before we got here!
Maybe this is a part of his hunting ground! I really hope this Lady Hellbender plan works!
I'm surprised we even have a plan!
Look out! This thing's all screwing too!
What is next, Peter Quill? Keep him busy, crew!
This won't hurt! But
Yeah, Sophie's cousin here really does need to chill out.
we really don't have time to mess around like this! Thing reminds me of... What did you call it, Rocket?
Let's flip him over to see if the crew's are safe.
Danger! High voltage!
We will defeat this beast. We will capture Foom. It is our destiny.
I've never seen Drax so enthusiastic!
Yes! Now bring on Fin Fang Foom!
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how much bigger and stronger and scarier is Foom gonna be than the thing we just fought?
10,000.
That's what I figured.
No one said this was gonna be easy, Rocket.
Right, but 10,000 times Drax is the literal one, remember?
Obviously, our chances of pulling this off suck. A lot. But what chance does the galaxy have if we don't pull it off?
Exactly. We all saw what the Church is capable of. No matter what this planet throws at us, we're not stopping till we catch Foom and Lady Hellbender is fighting by our side.
That has happened. I need this.
Yeah, well, maybe if we'd listened to you from the start and just gone after Foom.
Then we'd probably be dead.
Everyone get ready. There's something up ahead.
I'm pretty sure it sees us, whatever it is.
Wait, more Foom food to deal with.
Do not underestimate anything that survives the perils of this planet.
Good advice.
It's all you, Gamora.
Cut to the chase!
I, for one, am ready for you, Fin Fang Foom!
Yell a little louder. Maybe he'll come to us. Those drug smokers won't stop spitting at us.
Kinda reminds me of you when you eat!
Hold them down, crew.
Shouldn't it be too cold for words on this
Fin
planet?
Fang Foom continues.
Okay, let's just think things through a moment.
Since when is that a thing we do?
What if we're too late? What if Raker finishes what he started and the ritual...
Instead of giving her Foom, chance Lady H might
Black monsters arrive for us to track!
Hey, fine! The more the merrier!
Brace yourself!
Breathing room, Thanks, Groot. Loving the initiative.
Eldador Morgath, Soltas Flandergath.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
This is definitely in Drax's wheelhouse.
Galmak, Galmak, Soldat Flandergas. Galmak, Galmak, Soldat Flandergas.
Nice! Who won't know what hit him?
You will be more resilient than a boulder, Peter Quill.
I know. I'm just trying to be positive.
Why?
I think it's a team building thing.
We require no further team building.
Guys, there's so much at stake right now. I mean, it's Groot. Loving the initiative.
Sodrajo to Glog. Sodrajo to Glog. Eldador Morgan. Soldat Flandergas. Sodrajo to Glog. Eldador Morgan. Soldat Flandergas.
Nice! Boom won't know what hit
You
him.
will be more resilient than a boulder, Peter Quill.
I know. I'm just trying to be positive.
Why?
I think it's a team
Galmak, Galmak, Soldat Flandergas.
Sharp! Very, very sharp!
This is nothing compared to the legendary teeth and claws of Fin Fang Foom.
You know, I'm gonna be really disappointed if he doesn't live up to all the hype.
Assuming we live that long.
Peter, look! There's smoke ahead.
Think it's Foom?
More likely it's people.
Great. Maybe they'll know where he is.
Or they'll attack us on sight.
I could probably infiltrate the camp, look for weak links, make an example of the right person, bleed them out in front of their crew. The shock of it will cause confusion or maybe even surrender, and we carve through the rest.
Loving the murdering spirit, just keep in mind not everybody out there is hostile. It could just be a settlement.
That's a dangerous assumption, especially now when everything hinges on us pulling this off.
Right. And we're definitely gonna hand Raker his ass and get Nikki back. But then, afterward, we're also gonna have to find a way to get back to normal.
This is my normal, Peter. Trust me. Right now you need me in murder mode.
Just save some of it for the real bad guys. Maybe dial it back to a high 7 for now.
Maybe a low 9. Come on.
Helma Fin Sardut, Judkai Nageltau, Gothen Ko. Boom! It's Boom! Yes!
Oh, I'm going.
Keep going!
You fucking rock! Fast! Yeah, Ominous is right!
Here goes!
That's a lot of death, Spike!
Think my
My skin is so resistant!
Hello? We're looking for Fin Fang Foom. You seen him? Big wings, nasty teeth.
Purple shorts?
What do you mean, purple shorts?
What, I heard he wears purple shorts.
Ancient legends do tell of such a thing.
See?
That's gonna hit us!
There ain't no way through!
Follow me! Get to a wall! Trust me!
Oh, yeah. I like this one.
Let's see those things in action.
I'm on it.
Melt that one, too. And that one. I am so jealous right now, Quill.
You should be. Step aside, mortals, and allow the Meltonator to do his mighty work.
What is that?
Come on, Rocky. We got past your fear of water.
That ain't water. Good thing that rock tried to murder us, or we'd have never got Quill's sweet new power. Maybe we should almost kill you more often.
That's not how it works. It's when people I care about are in danger, and then I get this feeling.
Oh, I get it. It's like faith energy.
No, it's not like.
Relax. I believe you. Look, Will, it's your new best bud.
I'd say communication has failed.
Another, up there.
Why can't we ever just be a nice local?
Perhaps they are more amenable with time. No wonder they're grumpy, living on this hunk of ice. They shall die where they live.
To pieces! They're fast for something so big!
The same is said of me!
Why can't we ever just meet a nice local?
Perhaps they are more amenable with time.
Okay, I'm done playing with the snow monkeys.
Wendigo.
Is that really what we're calling them?
Hey, they're the ones who keep yelling Wendigo. See?
Sounds like we haven't seen the last of them.
Maybe Hellbender will want to add some of those Wendigo to her army.
Assuming they don't hold a grudge.
Hey, they started it.
So much for not holding a grudge!
Quit trying to make friends and run, Will! Whoa! What do you think, Will? They still just trying to communicate!
Heads up!
Did they just herd us into their zoo?
Looks more like a dinner place!
Well, let's make sure we don't end up on the menu.
No one takes joy in their work like you, Drax!
Shaka! Face me! Caution!
That was like something out of a horror movie! It's like the whole planet came out to play!
Let him come! I got bombs for all!
Another one down! Get some breathing room, Groot!
I hope we squash some of these Flarkers when we crash!
Too bad we didn't get more of them! One last gross flaily thing! Rocket! Do your kind of down, Groot! I can't believe those snow monkeys got the jump on us!
Wendigo! My great strength goes underutilized! Take heed!
Can we kill any faster in black tar?
Rex, toss
How
it!
about the vest?
You're up behind!
Now is the time to strike!
Rocket! Safety's off! Branch out, Groot! My butt still hurts from that slide!
Surprised you're not used to it by now! This is a bad tactical position!
We were kind of in a hurry!
Their visage invites punching!
It's like the whole planet came out to play!
Let him come! I got bombs for all!
stand in this weather. Guys, huddle up!
He says we're totally outmatched. We need to retreat. And as much as I don't want to admit it, Groot's got a point. The odds are totally against us here, Quill.
I don't care about the odds. I laugh in the face of gods. We're here, and we're ready to fight. So let's get back out there and light up the night with those creeps. Who's with me?
Victory is ours!
Let's do this!
Oh, yeah!
What is next, Peter Quill?
I thought you'd never ask! This is a bad tactical position!
I have seen your blade overcome worse!
Throw that, Drax!
We killed their leader. They should leave us alone now.
Or seek revenge.
Think that wreck is the camp we saw?
Nah, this thing has been here for ages. Look, the smoke's coming from the other side of it.
We're close, but we're gonna need to get up there.
All right, Groot, give me a boost. About yay high.
Yay is not a unit of measurement.
Groot knows what he means.
All right, heads up. I'm gonna drop something down for you guys.
They say Fin Fang Foom is a foe unlike any one could imagine.
Look out below!
Ha! That'll work!
You think those creatures were using this ship for shelter?
Screw them! They're dead. I'm fine, just itchy.
Here, give me a hand.
We should be ready. We don't know the source of that smoke. Or hostiles.
Maybe it's just a nice warm fire and some Sakaar and spirits.
Ooh, maybe it's a barbecue.
What's barbecue?
What? You guys have never had barbecue? Charbroiled burgers, grilled steaks, baby back ribs?
Whatever it smells.
Bodies. It smells of bodies.
Jeez. Is all this foom?
Undoubtedly.
Up ahead. Looks like there's a survivor.
Who goes there?
No head. She has no head.
I believe that repulsive tentacle orb is her head.
And I can hear you with it.
Are you the only survivor?
Clearly not. Who are you, meat sacks?
We're here for foom.
Forget what I said. Yeah, I'm the only survivor. Or will be.
I take it you know where we can find him?
Sure, digesting my men back at his roost. Big Eye's obelisk sticking out of the Caldera's frozen sea.
Don't worry, we'll take care of foom.
Sure you will, Terran. Just don't come running back here when he chases you. I still got some things to pack up.
You gonna be okay?
I don't need your pity, Terran. I'll head back to Contraxia and lick my wounds.
Oh, hey, you may not want to do that. Contraxia isn't exactly safe right now.
When is it ever?
Seriously, maybe you should just come with us.
I've been embarrassed enough today without taking help from a stranger. I can look after myself.
Well, if you hear people talking about a promise with a matriarch, just steer clear.
I'll keep that in mind.
Sorry about your men.
Bone Gordle explode! You fessed lump of Satarkian shrub meat! You don't scare us! It feels good, does it not?
Yeah.
So, where is he?
Maybe we spooked him.
Impossible. Foom was born without fear.
You don't know that.
In the cold heart of a dying star.
Dying stars ain't cold.
This one was.
You think his lair's behind that?
Let's find out.
How are we supposed to capture that?
By beating him into submission.
We're gonna have to get through that ice armor first!
Prepare yourself. You face Captain Heatwall.
Not so invincible after all! Yeah, let's not the other people! Let's not the guy back! Lock and load, Rock! Time to shred him!
Time's up!
We should have just carpet bombed him with the Milano!
Where would be the fighting that little one?
You said he had purple shorts!
What? Don't be that's two!
For the Bane of Ice, Peter Quill.
See? Bane of Ice isn't such a bad nickname! Move away, Rocket! Nice, Foom! Easy, Foom!
He's not a pet, Peter! Yet!
You struggle in vain. Today, we earned our place in the club, baby.
How you like us now?
His opinion does not appear to have improved.
Want to go? This got my nice work, Peter!
Not so hot now, are you, Foom?
Bring it, you overgrown lizard!
Looks like he just did! Run! That was too close!
Good thinking! Muscle! Get through the head! He thinks you two can leapfrog that rock right at the Fool's face!
Feel free to give up, Foom!
I am trying to destroy. Mind your footing, Peter Quill.
He's coming down hard! Quick, while he's stuck in the ice!
The ice isn't cracking, you big baby!
Come on, Foom! You'll like Sector 9!
Great winds would make for invigorating flight.
again. Believe it and shoot it.
He grows desperate.
Yeah, and pissed.
And he's about to get sloppy! Come on, Boom! You'll like Psychos 9!
Hellbender's got all the minions you can eat!
One more time. Let's knock him out cold.
Doesn't look like he's gonna make it easy on us!
Beast is most dangerous when at its most desperate. We must not fail. Yes! We stand triumphant! Foom has fallen.
Wait, no! No! Lady Hellbender! Drax, stop! Guys! Wait, guys, no! Lady Hellbender, we want to...
Nobody escapes my wrath. Floorboard. Monster Queen of Seknarf 9, you said you'd hear him out. You promised.
Speak. I hope this is the one where you make a good speech.
We screwed up. We conned you, robbed you, killed your baby. We can't take back what we've done. But we want to make it right.
Quill.
You murdered the Dragon Lord of Kakarandara! Ah! This isn't you. Fate has finally brought the two of us together. Lord Foom. The final harvest begins. Dead worlds screaming across space. We must go. Now.
Someone needs to take a stand against the church. We could really use some help.
You pay one debt, then create another.
No, though I can kind of see...
Enough. I will gather my forces.
right, let's go.
Yes! The noble Lady Hellbender shall fight alongside us this day, after we bested Foom the Invincible.
I think we found Drax's peanut butter and chocolate.
We're on the path to destiny, my friends.
I still can't believe we did it. We did do it, right?
We sure did, and we got Mantis back.
But we lost Warlock, and we'll need him to exercise the Magus once we shut down that ritual.
So we bust him out of cult prison. I've done jailbreaks before, we all have.
We still tracking him?
Oh yeah, that thing ain't coming out easy.
Good. Then all we gotta do is get there on time and hope Lady Hellbender does too.
She will. I'm certain of it.
All right. Let's gear up, people. Tie up any loose ends. Take a pee if you have to, because we're not stopping again.
Hey, Quill. Let me borrow your tunes.
Why?
I need to focus. Come on.
Do not drop that.